Guys, today I'm in Radisson Hotel, but my mommy book house. Mommy, what is that then? What is that then? Mommy, what is that then?
Mas ganda yung bahay. Ganda yung ano natin, no?
Mommy.
Sa labas may ganda.
Mommy. Hey, Mommy, what is that then?
Well, it's like studio. You don't like? It's nice, no? So we experience this one.
Yeah.
One lifestyle.
Mm-hmm.
We try.
But it's like house. They call house. Studio is better.
Yeah.
My mommy say it's called studio.
Hello.
Okay.
Video.